Hey! I am inviting you to join my free online money-making webinar, so don't miss out. Visit the link at the end of this video. Are you not making $500 plus per day online? Feeling stuck, frozen, or just plain unhappy with your current level of income? Have you tried building an online business before, but just can't figure it out? I don't blame you, I've been there. Thankfully, I have your solution. Listen, the most successful people and companies on the planet just copy what they already know is working. Just take a look at Instagram, Nintendo, eBay and Apple. They modeled their businesses after existing companies that were already doing extremely well. They didn't try to innovate or try to figure everything out on their own, and you shouldn't either. So with that being said, I want you to just copy my friend Mike's 20-minute workday system that is already working. In fact, my friend Mike and his team have given you the permission to copy the 3-step system that allows their team and their students to make upwards of $200 to $1,000 per day. All while working less than 20 minutes per day. Copy the 3-step system on the free workshop today. Well, why on earth would they give you the permission to copy this system? Because implementing this 3-step model helps people around the world, and anyone can do it. Here's the truth: people today are hungry for solutions to problems that they're having in their lives. They want their problems solved now, and they want it done fast. Today's free workshop will show you how to take advantage of a secret $107 billion industry where you can help solve these people's problems and make a healthy, job-replacing income without having any experience or knowledge about the topic. And with this 3-step system, you can finally stop working 8 to 9 hours per day, stop living paycheck to paycheck or worrying about money, stop being told what hours you need to work, stop worrying about retirement, stop feeling stuck and unhappy about your income. If you click on this link and it still loads, then you still have the chance to register. Don't miss out on this completely free workshop. See you there. https://t2m.io/zoo5mvf